110 scale nationals at West Coast Model RC, presented by TotalScumbagRC and Ace Hobbies.
You relocated your shop, Scotty?
For the weekend, yeah. Yeah, we're the naming sponsor for the 110 national title this weekend. Happy to do so. Great to support the club and the races. Thank you.
So while he's got parts, tyres, everything they need, the cafe's got all the food all the racers need to keep them going for the weekend. That's their new menu. And here's a good look at the layout, a beautiful layout, longer layout, 233 metres long, made by all the guys at the club. This is shot from the President's little lookout and operations spot where he does his commentary and timing.
Sick layout.
And go in anti-clockwise direction, the middle of the camera's following the track the cars are going. Made it a little bit hard to see, but you can imagine them running. Just to give you an idea. And the back straight, into the finish line.
Alright, junior drivers, let's get ready to go for qualifying round 3.
Less than 5.
As the president announcer said, it's junior stock category, 2 drive.
Phoenix Eggleton, Elliot Grierson, Robert Maycock, Raiden Barradine, Riley Hay, Campbell Edwards, Connor Poole, and Matty Barradine.
It's the juniors off the quali.
A solid field of 8 drivers here for the junior 2-wheel drive stock, qualifying number 3. Phoenix Eggleton out there in front, who was yesterday's 4-wheel drive stock national champion, now in the 2-wheel drive stock class with the junior drivers today. Elliot Grierson in that all-blue car.
Second.
Rob Maycock in the yellow and purple car.
Fifth.
As we go through 51 seconds down. Rounding out your field of 2-wheel drive stock junior drivers. The junior guys out there having a good run now. The marshals are all looking a bit bored. There's not too much to do for these guys. All having an excellent run in this Q3 round of the 2-wheel drive stock junior drivers. Matty Barradine coming through now, position number 6. Good drive from Matty. Riley Hay now bumps up into position number 4. Matty Barradine, number 5. Looks like we may have lost a couple of drivers out there at the moment. Elliot Campbell is high. Right through the back S's, into the right hander, puts the gas down that back sweeper. Coming on through with 22 seconds left to go. Phoenix Eggleton, your car, first position. Robert Maycock, number 2. Matt Ramsden now moves up into position number 4 with a 39.348. Mark Scott going at 39.539, and Diesel Blevins rounding out your field.
First place, followed by Glenn Flewers in second place, followed by Hannah Habash in third place. First, second, third.
So travelling along here with Pete Cooper as he comes down through the pretzel. Doing a nice job there in the 2-wheel drive stock buggies. He hits that hip, swings it around through the lumps and down into that front straight.
Fifth.
Most of the footage I got is buggies. There was short course, I didn't get any of that there, and I got a little bit of stadium trucks coming up. Sorry I missed out the short course, so I couldn't stay there too long that day.
Edwards going through the triple double section there quite nicely. You should be familiar with them. He built them. Experience that Edwards still having a little go to go.
Oh, is this your pole, is it? Sorry.
Good run here from both drivers, but it's still
Yeah, I'll video it. Give me a sec.
Guys, he's gonna video it.
Recording now, do that again.
Kyle. Damien, Noah, Dimitri, Damien O'Day. Right, underway here now with the two-wheel drive modified buggies. Kyle Masterton now out leading the charge in this qualifying number 3, heat 1 of 2. Looks like young Damian Bondarenko still in that second position. But under a little bit of pressure from Embleton there. So they go down the main straight. Dimitri getting a nice run down. Oh, I jinxed it on him. He's had a little rollover. No harm, no foul. Might have cost him a half a second there. Damien O'Day closing that gap on the back of that car. But Masterton at the moment out. It's a fresh air, leaving Bondarenko and Embleton to battle it out as they go through the sweeper. Excellent work there for young Damo to readdress the mistake. Looking like it's planned, but he comes back through the sweeper to complete another lap there. That was a 29.230. His fast lap of the session of 29.091. David Merritt out there at 33.400 for the fast lap. Craig Stevens now up into that third. And Saffer back there coming through first position. 29.759 last lap. So very good shooting here out of Ben. David Merritt still holding on to that number 2 position after he set fire to his truck last round. Turning down number 3, Stevens number 4.
Go Craig!
And after all that frantic on-track action, let's have a roll through the pits. This is the off-road pits area. Probably a good time to shout out all the people involved racing, but all the people involved running the event, the president and announcer upstairs, cafe, just everyone that was there. Good on you guys, well done. Special pits in the Ace Hobbies shop, and then a look in the on-road pits. Very cool. Good work everyone, cheers.
Now when the RC club come down for the Nationals, bunch of legends. You kids subscribe to my YouTube channel or what?
Yeah, I am.
Fuck yeah, you little legends. TotalScumbagRC.
Yeah, that's a good angle.
Is that all we got?
And the kids wanted me to record their car, so that's chucked in at the end of the video. Have a great day if you've been watching. Thank you.
No, go down the mountain. Go down this. Go down.
Down's too easy. Alright, more videos coming soon. TotalScumbagRC.